Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a bank account to the Dasher app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add a new bank account to the Dasher app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Dasher app. Next, click on the three lines on the top left-hand corner. Then click on Earnings, then click on View Payout Details, then click on Change Payout Method. Now on this page here, you're going to be given a list of different payout methods. Scroll down, then click on Change Payout Method, then click on Add New Bank Account. So this is where you're going to enter your new routing number and account number, then click on Submit. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add a bank account to the Dasher app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.